Hey there, this feels live. Very extremely fiery, freezing, chilly, wet spring weather forecast. UK 24 lights. So yeah, press the thumbs up the side screen right now. Time to in digital scene. It's 21:23 p.m. in the evening. An hour long. That's 23 minutes past 9 p.m. in the evening, and it is 24th of February. Saturday evening, 24 guys. Let's get a spring forecast. Spring weather forecast 2024. My idea for the spring weather forecast, in my opinion, is we're going to have quite a lot of severe thunderstorms and a lot of hailstone shower clouds and a lot of heavy April showers, let alone April snow showers as well, potentially, which is basically across the North Pole, and or SSW potentially. So so I think we're for kind of cold and highly combustible, cold and hot at 30 Celsius spring 2024 across UK. This is what's right now. This is MetChat. See what they're talking about. We're talking about maximum temperature, it feels like, rain risk, the amount, the cloud amount, the wind direction, the speed of the wind, the ratio of happening, and how cold the weather what's doing that day. And see what's going on guys UK right now. So MetChat's one of the cold out layers for April forecasting for you. It looks like a very cold April, especially on the 14th of March, nice 2 Celsius in the morning. And winds are coming from the northwesterly winds to the cold stretch. And you get green and blocking in the spring, it's more likely to be a problem than having green. Having high pressure over Scandinavia is not a problem for the spring. It has to be over Greenland to be a problem, or Iceland. So it looks like it's very cold April, potentially with the March, potentially with April showers across the UK. Nothing's a thunderstorm, it wouldn't rule out. Potentially, this is my forecast. And it looks like April will be unsettled and cold, especially Easter weekend. Highs of 10 Celsius, be highs of about 14, 16 Celsius. Yeah, 14, 16 Celsius for April. So it looks like a very cold April. Whereas I start to take that round to the southwesterly there towards the middle part of April. It's a little bit mild later on, but it's still bright cold April. Look at that, highs of 9 Celsius. That's very cold April. Wet towards the end of April, 23rd April, there's like a lot of rain coming down from the sky across the UK widely, in the southeast sub-region especially. But this forecast doesn't change as usual. This is May. May looks like it's unsettled and showering April showers in May. You can get quite a dry and hot May sometimes. I know it's summer in May, potentially. Or in April you get 30 Celsius potentially. I wouldn't be surprised if we get one of those temperatures. It looks like it gets warmer towards the end of May, but it should be highs of about 18 to 20 Celsius in May. So this is below average 14 Celsius. That's below cold for April. Well, April, let alone May. So, metric-wise, it's going for cold spring. Let's see what the American Axis is going for. American Axis is going for quite average sort of temperatures, below average at times for March, highs of 14 Celsius. It looks like some heavy showers at times, unsettled weather conditions across the UK widely, potentially. But it's pretty unsettled, guys. There'll be some sunshine at times. It looks like thunderstorms as we get into April. There's some very severe thunderstorms, potentially in American Axis, especially across the southeastern regions. Across the city, look at this from the 14th to the, you name it, the 19th of May. There's like a lot of thunderstorms potentially, severe ones at that. I wouldn't be surprised if you see that displacement across the North Pole. This is going for May after April. It looks like May's going to be quite unsettled and showery, and a lot of sunshine at times. And it might be quite hot in May, not April, but it's all to play for the spring 2024. We'll see what happens. It's going to be high combustible wind, well, spring 2024 across the UK. And looks like there is a displacement going on across the North Pole. This is the 12th GFS wall. We can see up here, guys. The 6th GF one's going for total split. The 12th GFS bubble is going for a slight split, as you saw a few minutes ago. Look at that. A slight split. So, yeah, it looks like a slight split, which is interesting. And the weather forecast across Waking Town locally, wow, looks like might be another frost tomorrow morning. It was one this morning, -1 Celsius, -2. And there's a yellow warning in effect for heavy rain from 1500 tomorrow afternoon to 9 p.m. on Monday morning, which is going to be quite heavy. I wouldn't be surprised if they upgrade to an amber weather warning. This is my weather forecast, I wouldn't be surprised. And it looks like thundery heavy rain through that day, tomorrow afternoon especially, into Monday. And the winds are coming from the northeast. Northeasterly winds are quite cold, very chilly northeast wind, 45 miles per hour, potentially, because Waking Town locally is forecast is subject to change as usual. And you're talking about... wow, weather forecast is quite nice. Tuesday and Wednesday look pretty good. This weather forecast has changed as usual. Looks like unsettled weather Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. Looks like the Atlantic onslaught comes back in across Waking Town locally. And it does get milder in the future, potentially, with a southeasterly wind. And this is what we call here, guys, the ECM. That's going for a complete, you name it, you call it, whatever you call it, an SSW across the North Pole. -1.9 Celsius, and the other one is talking about a reverse of the winds up at 10 HPA. It's going for record breaking ones down here. Anything below -0, that is a reversal win. So I hope that's for you. These scratch on the sun just might be happy.